In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI images sing with perfect lip sync in Grok AI. We'll keep things simple and focused so you can follow along and get great results on your first try. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Once the page loads, head into a fresh chat. Give yourself a clean slate so Grok understands exactly what you want without distractions from previous conversations. If you're prompted to sign in, do that quickly, then come back to the chat window. You should see a message box at the bottom where you can type your instructions. That's where the magic happens. Next, tell Grok to generate your character image. Be clear and descriptive so it paints the right picture. Ask for a front-facing portrait with the head and shoulders visible, neutral lighting, and a simple background. Mention your character's style, age range, and mood, like confident singer in a studio or animated pop star under stage lights. Neutral or slight smile works best because strong open mouth expressions can make later lip movement look less natural. If you care about fine detail, add notes like high resolution or sharp facial features and natural skin texture. The more specific you are here, the better your lip sync will look when the mouth starts moving. Now animate that image with a singing prompt. In the chat, ask Grok to take the generated portrait and make it sing, and be explicit about lip sync quality. Specify the language, accent, vocal style, and tempo. Phrases like precise phoneme alignment, clear mouth shapes, and match syllables accurately help the model focus on the mouth. If you have a vibe in mind, describe it. Upbeat pop chorus at medium tempo, slow soulful ballad, or energetic rock verse. You can also guide the performance with cues such as add subtle head nods, gentle eye blinks, and natural breathing pauses, which make the singing feel alive without distracting from the lips. If your first result feels off, refine the same prompt with tighter wording like tighter lip closure on M, B, and P sounds, or sharper S and F articulation, and rerun it. When your prompt looks right, click, submit, or press enter. Give Grok a moment to process. Watch the preview carefully, focusing on the jaw, lips, and timing of syllables. If anything drifts, adjust the description and submit again until it locks in. That's all there is to it. Visit Grok, generate a clean front-facing portrait, guide the animation with a detailed singing prompt, and submit. With a few quick refinements, you'll have AI images singing with crisp, convincing lip sync.